The circular saw is a staple of any woodshop, and to find the very best cordless circular saws on the market, we bought 5 of the most popular models for side-by-side testing. We focused on battery-powered direct drive saws that range from 7 1/4 framing saws to 5 1/2 trim saws. Our team of experts subjected each of these saws to an identical series of tests, focusing on ease of use, cutting power, and of course, battery life. Whether you're in the market for a professional-grade saw or a price point model for the occasional project around the house, our in-depth review offers expert recommendations based on value and performance. We organize our data so that you can easily compare models to find the best cordless circular saw for your needs and budget. From the woodshop to the garden, our tech experts are always on the lookout for the best tools for their next project. There are numerous options for cheap best cordless circular saw, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best cordless circular saw from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Porter Cable 7 1/4 inch circular saw. While the Porter Cable PCE 300 appears to be a bargain, the reduction in price comes at the cost of battery life and ease of use functionality. Specifically, the saw has a difficult-to-turn twist knob for the bevel adjustment, and the bevel degree markers are hard to read. Moreover, the sight lines are a 1/16 of an inch off on the long side. The 15 amp-hour battery is also an issue. It's one of the shortest-lived power cells that we've tested. The saw will make most cuts, but it often struggles to do so. Ultimately, we see this saw as an introductory tool that restricts users to the most basic cutting applications. What sets the Porter Cable apart from the class of circular saws is its price tag and its low scores in our ease of use and battery tests. Number 2. Powertough Cordless Circular Saw. The cutting scenarios that the Powertough Cordless Circular Saw thrives in are narrow due to its relatively short battery life and underpowered motor. However, if a lightweight saw with enough power to make moderate cuts is a convenience that you require, then this little guy will fit the bill. Equipped with the right blade and handled correctly, this model makes a good trim saw, or just an excellent replacement for a hand saw in the D toolkit. The saw certainly has some shortcomings, but if one keeps it on the tasks that it is cut out for, then it's not a bad product. The 5 1/2 Powertough cordless tested at the bottom of the class in most of our evaluations. This outcome is primarily due to this saw competing with framing saws. The Powertough cordless is a lightweight, light-duty tool that, when used in the proper context, will be a beneficial addition to any toolkit. Number 3. Bosch PROFACTOR 18 volts. We feel lukewarm about the Bosch PROFACTOR 18V because it presented mediocre outcomes in every evaluation we use to judge cordless saws. Cutting power, battery life, ease of use, all average. It is neither a terrible saw, nor is it worth writing home about. Were it priced a bit lower, we would have better things to say. As it is, we are hard-pressed to recommend this saw with more competitive options on the market. Having familiarized ourselves with the Bosch's interface and run it through a gauntlet of tests, we find it difficult to say much about the saw. It didn't flop the tests we put it through, but it certainly didn't excel either. At the same time, number 4. DEWALT 20V Max 7 1/4 inch circular saw. The DEWALT 20V Max is a professional-grade framing saw. It has a powerful motor that will plow through the most demanding crosscuts and rips. The adjustments to blade depth and bevel are intuitive and effective. Additionally, the saw has an effortless blade changing system. Our only reservations with this saw are that it's a bit heavy, and it blows through its 5 amp-hour battery relatively quickly. The ease of use metric covers a lot of ground. While the DEWALT 20V Max received an average score overall, it shined in several areas. Namely, the saw has some great features, such as an easy-to-operate bevel and cutting depth levers. Moreover, the adjustment markings are easy to see. Positive stops on the bevel ensure exact adjustments. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN V20. The CRAFTSMAN CMCS 500M1 is a mediocre 6 1/2 saw. Its ease of use features are so-so, with bright spots shining through in the weight, sight lines, blade depth, and adjustment assessments. However, the tool suffers significantly in battery life, despite having been tested with a 4 amp-hour cell. That said, the saw is reasonably priced and is good enough for many D applications. Humdrum comes to mind when searching for adjectives to describe this tool. While the CRAFTSMAN CMCS 500M1 is competitively priced and offers decent cutting power, It is a barebones cordless saw. In our estimation, this is a good pick for those who are upping their kit from hand to power tools. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.